Hi guys, and welcome back to Bo Toun Design. So today I'm going to show you a design that I worked on for my friend Fiona. It's her upstairs attic and she wants to convert it into an office space. So in the before pictures, it was used to dump a whole bunch of like baby items and supplies. So we decided to convert into her office space. And what I did was provide her with a lot of storage using cubbies to store some of the toys, office supplies, little knickknacks here and there to just keep the place organized. I wanted to design her space so it felt a little bit more calming. So when she's working, she's not feeling stressed out. So color is very important. I wanted to use a lot of like very light colors. So I wanted to keep it like a light mint green, white, neutrals such as browns, like wood tones. I also wanted to change the color of her light bulb. So originally she has just like a yellow fluorescent light bulb. So we switched it to an LED daylight to cancel a lot of the yellow tones that was originally in the attic. So Fiona's gonna walk through the door and see her space for the first time, and let's see her reaction and what she think of the design.
Oh my gosh, wow! It looks so much bigger. Wow.
What do you think of your space?
It's not even the same. Look at this. The layout's different.
You like the location of the desk?
Yeah, this is definitely
Versus against the
against this wall right
yeah,
here
against the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yay, I got a background for my video calls. Wow. And I got plants. Oh my god, plants make everything look so much better. This is like so much more spacious than before.
Yeah.
It was like all this mess over here.
You think the kids are gonna like it too?
I think so.
Yeah.
They'll probably like find a way to sneak to the back
Well, open your drawers.
and find their toys.
Yep, all their toys are in there. Nice.
Yeah, this is nice. It's functional.
Mm-hmm.
This is cool. This is so nice. So pretty. It just looks so much bigger. It's not cluttered. And I like the color because before it was like really depressing. It was all yellow. Now it feels brighter. I think the light made a pretty big difference.
I also added LED light strips here to brighten up the space. It has
Want me to try?
different settings. There's also a party mode.
Do we want to turn on party mode?
So your kids can have a party up here.
Yes.
With some dance music.
This is cool.
Hello.
Hi. You want to be on camera? Oh, he's so shy.
He's very.
This is really nice.
You
I
like
like
it?
it. I do.